this is Paul. Yeah. I'm wanting to increase the pressure today. Mhm. Knowing that you can charge, right, a closed system with a certain amount of air pressure, yes, that only releases the air pressure when there's the actual heat of the potential of a fire. Yes. And that 10 degrees difference, yes, would release twice the amount of pressure, maybe even more than that. Yes. Where the whole system's charged right now. I'm going to want all the sprinkler systems of commercial buildings. Yes. And then I want an approximate amount of how much water is sitting in sprinkler systems that will never be used. Yes. Now, it could be some sonar on that. Water's conductive of electricity. And then there's this possibility that just using air pressure, yes, and instead of two little sprinkler heads, yes, all it is an air pressure heat sensitive valve, yes, that releases the air pressure because of the temperature, yes, releasing the water to charge the system, yes, with an increased amount of pressure because of one sprinkler head that gives out 4 times the amount of water because of a real fire. Now, you wouldn't think this would matter, but it does, because there is no need to have any water in any sprinkler system unless there's going to be a very, very good probability of a fire. Now, this 10 degrees, yes, let's say it just got hot in here. It was like 110 degrees. The furnace had overreacted. Yes. The air pressure might release and charge the system, but that does not mean it's going to release the actual pressure of the water. Now, a lot of these sprinkler systems, they have alarm systems that go to fire departments. Yeah. Could you call the fire departments for me in the United States and any nation that wants to know? I'd like to know, how many permits for sprinkler systems that the fire department would say if the sprinkler system goes off, we want to be called as soon as that happens. Now, these mandatory reporters known as fire persons, yes, I had emailed the Port Angeles Fire Department numerous times about fraud and forgery. Now, I did tell the fire departments I'm going to sue you, okay? I'm going to sue you for the actual fire station, the fucking fire trucks. I'm going to sue you for your assets. I'm going to put you in prison. Now, I think we need some additional pressure, yes, when there is an actual fire. Yes. We do not need pressurized sprinkler systems that are pressurized because of water. We need to change those two sprinkler heads. Yes. You cut a little chunk out of the pipe. Yes, you do. You put in a sprinkler head that is 4 times the amount of water pressure in the event of an actual fire. Now, these new sprinkler heads that are they are heat sensitive, that they release the actual pressurized air in the sprinkler system. See, once there's a release of air, because this system is a closed charged system, you can pressurize it just using air instead of water. Yes. And there is no, if there was a leak in the sprinkler system, yes, it'd be dripping water. Shut up.